Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with your Windows 10 computer and your system tray icons are not working properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start by right-clicking on the taskbar, select the Task Manager. If you find Windows Explorer is open underneath Apps, go ahead and right-click on it and select Restart. And then see if your system tray icons are working again properly. If not, close out of here, open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with Command Prompt. Go ahead and right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now I'm going to have two commands in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy the first one. It's an SFC command. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it. Select edit and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard. This will take a few minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done running, go ahead and copy the second command and then go up the top bar of the command prompt again, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste that one in. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So hopefully this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.